In front of me is TECNO Pova Neo tool, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for a location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, hit the same one. You can also go into Settings, scroll down and click on Location here. Then tap on this switcher next to it to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!